Look, I'm going to tell you a secret that the gurus absolutely hate. Why? Because it works. And it doesn't require millions of views, a big audience, or selling your soul to the algorithm. All you need are 100 loyal followers, and you could be making about 60 grand a year, working just about an hour a week. Drop an emoji in the comments if you're done chasing vanity metrics. This isn't hype. I'm not selling a course, and I'm not about the 5 a.m. grind. This is about working smarter, not harder. If you've got a hobby or a skill, fishing, knitting, penny stocks, whatever, if people already ask you about it, you're qualified to run a $60,000 side hustle. Imagine 100 people paying you $50 a month for a 1 hour session. That's $5,000 a month, 60 grand a year for just 1 hour a week. So what topic would you run your weekly sessions on? Comment below. My topic would be, and I'll reply how I'd market it. Where do you go to host this? I use GoBrunch. It's like Zoom if Zoom actually cared about creators. In your group, members meet weekly. You share your tips to level up. If you're curious, I'm going to host a free training inside of GoBrunch this Sunday. No charge, no pitch, just real value. Link will be in the description. And share this with friends, more the merrier, okay? And seriously, what niche would you build your $60,000 group around? Let the gurus chase millions of views. I'll take 100 die-hard fans and 1 hour a week. Oh, and if flying drones is your niche, invite me because I got some questions. So in a nutshell, you're going to share your experience in whatever it is that you do, whether it's your profession, your hobby, or whatever. Let's just take stocks. So if you're somebody who's good at stocks, you're going to have a community of 100 people that will meet with you on, let's say, Sunday night. And let's say that you give them your 3 best stocks for the week. They'll pay to be in that group. Maybe they're going to pay you $50 a month to be in that group. They're going to meet 4 times a month in that group, and you're going to give them your best stock options. If you're any good, they're going to keep coming back, right? Or it could be as simple as teaching people how to get from point A to point B in some kind of sport or activity or hobby. Or it could be even a school subject or something like that. Think how to get them from pain to happiness.